In today's video, I'll teach you how to get started with Zendesk, a comprehensive customer service solution that can streamline your support processes. First, head over to the Zendesk website and click Start Your Free Trial. Fill out the registration form with your business email to ensure a smooth setup and identification of your organization. Once submitted, you'll land on the Zendesk dashboard, where you can begin managing your customer support tickets. Start with the requester field to specify who is raising the issue, then assign the ticket to a team member to ensure timely attention, and add followers so other team members stay informed. Use tags to categorize and prioritize tickets, and select the type, whether it's a question, problem, or task, to clarify expectations. Set the priority level to focus on urgent matters, add a clear subject line, and craft a professional public reply to communicate directly with the customer. Finally, click Submit to save or update the ticket in the system. By following these steps, you've successfully set up Zendesk and can manage tickets efficiently